Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about the different precedence operator takes and how it is implemented. Welcome again, and the next topic for the discussion is this precedence of the operator. So the motivation for learning this subject is we all know that 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2. The two possible expressions are there: 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2 within the bracket and 5 multiplied by 2 within the bracket. Okay, now the associativity of plus and multiplication do not resolve this ambiguity. Okay, so we cannot say that we have resolved the ambiguity of 9 plus 5 plus 2, we have resolved it. Or for the same precedence operator 9 plus 5 minus 2, we have resolved it, but it does not resolve the associativity of what? Associativity 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2. This ambiguity that 5 associated with is left or right operator, it doesn't resolve by this associativity thing. So for this reason we need to know the relative precedence of the operator. Okay, so that is the motivation, that we need to know the relative precedence of the operator. And the precedence rule is also is given by your grammar only. I mean, the way you write the grammar, the way they will follow the precedence rule. So let me show two different example over here. That if I say this is my operator, E derive E plus T, E derive T, and T derive T star F, and T derive F, and F derive ID, suppose identifier or number, because I have taken the number over here. So let's have a number 0, 1, 2 and up to 9. Let's have the sentence, same sentence here, 9 plus 5 plus 2, and let's try to draw the parse tree for this one. Okay, so now E derive E plus T, plus operator is introduced. Okay, 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, so plus operator is there. Then I need a multiplication operator, and that I need on the left hand side. Okay, so now T is the responsibility of the T. So now that will be T star F, then E to T, T to F, F to number 9, T to F, F to number 5, and F to number that is 2. So this is the parse tree for it. And again we can argue over here that associativity of 5, or the 5 is a part of a subtree, okay, and which is nothing but a right subtree. Okay, so this is the part of the right subtree, and here this expression, this subtree, this is saying that this expression will be evaluated in this way. The question is it about this left and right subtree, or is it always hold? Like if I just say 9 multiplied by 2 plus 5, if I say this, that multiplication is this side and plus is this side, whether it will hold or not. So let's draw this parse tree, and then E derive E plus T, and then E will derive T, and then T will derive T star F, and T to F, F to number which is 9, F to number which is 2, and T to F, F to number which is 5. So now in this case situation has been just changed a bit, and now it is a part of subtree. But okay, so this is a part of the subtree, but subtree will be evaluated first. Okay, so that is the idea, that subtree says that for first expression 5 multiplied by 2 will be computed first, and for second 9 multiplied by 2 will be computed first. Okay, so that is the idea. We can do a little bit more thing over here. Suppose if I just change the grammar, let me just rewrite a new grammar over here, and let me just say that E derive E multiplied by T, T derive T or T, T derive T, okay, T plus F or F and F2 number. And let me just take 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2, this string is. Okay, so now what about this one? So for this we are E derive E star T. Then I want plus on the left side, so I will go with E to T, and T will derive T plus F, T to F, F2 number which is 9, F2 number which is 5, T to F, F2 number which is 2. Now, if you look at this subtree, okay, here now we 9 plus 5 plus 2. So now if you look again, consider the rule of the subtree that this part of the tree will be evaluated first. Okay, and what does it imply as a parenthesization? So 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2, this will be done in this way. That means plus is having higher precedence than multiplication. I leave this expression to you to just resolve this one, that suppose 9 multiplied by 5 plus 2, do complete by using this particular grammar and see whether it is resolved, what it is resorting to, whether it is multiplication is having higher precedence and or plus is having higher precedence. But the only thing is that in every case, only one condition should be true. Okay, only one of the condition should be true. One of the condition means either plus is having higher precedence or multiplication is having higher precedence. So one of the condition must be true, both cannot be true simultaneously. So that's all for this discussion. Thank you.